Tape www.suividécole-au-sénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Hi, hello everybody. I'm back again today to talk about parts of the body. Before we start doing the rest of the body, we're going to go through the face. My face, mon visage. What have we got on a face, on a normal face? Okay, on my face, I've got what? Eyes, ears, mouth, nose, hair, head. My hair, my head. Again, eyes, my ears, my nose, my mouth, my hair, my head, and my teeth, mes dents. Let's have a look at the board. On the board, we got the face. What's on the face? First, you got my hair, mes cheveux, my head, ma tête, my eyes, my hair, my eyes, mes yeux, my nose, mon nez, my mouth, ma bouche, my teeth, mes dents, okay, my ears, mes oreilles, and my head, ma tête, okay. Let's go together again. Hair, eyes, nose, mouth, and you go on the other side, my head, my ears, my teeth. Le mot teeth, on met la langue entre les dents. My teeth. D'accord, pour avoir le mot TH, le son Z, T. Hein? My teeth. My chin. Mon menton. My chin. D'accord? Alors, on dit one tooth, two teeth, one eye, two eyes, one ear, two ears. Hair, c'est invariable. On ne met jamais S à hair en général. My hair, on peut dire my hairs, ok, on dit my hair. Ensuite, my head, on n'en a qu'une seule de tête, d'accord? Donc, my chin, one chin, two chins. Le menton aussi, on n'en a qu'un, d'accord? Donc, my face, alors, you have to understand, l'expression faciale, ton visage, qu'est-ce que ton visage dit? Quand on est happy, I'm happy, on sourit. I'm happy, I smile, je suis content. Ok, I'm glad, je suis heureux. I'm happy, ok? I'm happy to be here in front of you. Ok, happy. Oh, I'm sad, je suis triste. I'm sad. Pourquoi? Because they don't want to play with me. Les autres enfants ne veulent pas jouer avec moi. Oh, I'm sad. Je suis triste. I'm happy. I'm sad. Okay? I frown. Je fais une grimace. I frown because I'm not happy. Quand on n'est pas happy, we frown. Okay? When you laugh, tu ris. I'm laughing. Ha 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 ha. Rigoler, c'est to laugh. Smile, c'est sourire. Quand on sourit, on n'entend pas. Alors que quand on rigole, on entend, on s'exclave, ok? On entend les gens rigoler. Ha ha ha, ça fait du bruit. Alors que smile, on se contente seulement de sourire. D'accord? Donc, when you're happy, you smile. When you're happy, you laugh. When you're sad, you don't smile, you frown. To frown, c'est faire la tête. Faire la grimace, frown, okay? I'm not happy, I frown my face, okay? A happy face and a sad face, très bien. Alors maintenant, on va essayer de voir une petite comptine. Par exemple, ça fait I've got, j'ai. I've got 2 eyes, j'ai 2 yeux. Look, look, look. Look, regardez avec mes yeux. I've got 2 ears, j'ai 2 oreilles. Listen, listen, listen. I've got 1 mouth. Sing, sing, sing. Let's all sing together. Chantons ensemble. Together. Everybody. Okay? Let's sing together. La 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 la. Everybody, the whole class, sing together. Okay? Now, qu'est-ce que je peux faire avec mes yeux? What can I do with my eyes? I've got 2 eyes. With my eyes, I can see with my eyes. Je peux voir les choses. I can look with my eyes. Okay? I can watch TV with my eyes. Okay? I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can speak with my mouth. I can eat with my mouth. Okay? I can smell with my nose. Okay? Let me see. I can smell with my nose. It doesn't smell nice at all. Let me see what smells nice. Let me see. Something that smells nice. Oh, my clothes. I just washed myself. It smells nice. Ça sent bon. It smells bad. Ça sent pas très bon, hein, l'éponge. Because it's in the water, the sponge doesn't smell nice. It smells bad. My shirt smells nice. Okay? Smells good, it smells bad. Quand ça sent bon, on dit it smells good. Quand ça sent pas bon, on dit it smells bad. Okay? Now, I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. On entend bien. Ear, ears. Okay? To hear, hein? Ears. To hear, c'est entendre. Ears, ce sont les oreilles. Ça sonne un peu différent, un peu de la même chose. Ça sonne similaire, mais ça se prononce différemment. Okay? I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can hear with my ears. I can hear with my ears. D'accord? On met un H. Hear. Okay? Ears. Okay? I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. I can speak with my mouth. I can smile with my mouth. I can eat with my mouth. Okay? Now let's go together. I've got 2 eyes. Look, look, look. And the song goes like, I've got 2 eyes. Look, look, look. I've got 2 ears. Listen, listen, listen. I've got 1 mouth. Sing, sing, sing. Let's all sing together. I've got 1 mouth. Eat, eat, eat. I've got 1 mouth. Speak, speak, speak. I've got 1 tongue. Taste, taste, taste. I've got 1 mouth. Sing, sing, sing. Let's all sing together. Again, 1 more time. Let's do it again. Again. I've got 2 eyes. Look, look, look. I've got 2 ears. Listen, listen, listen. I've got 1 mouth. Sing, sing, sing. Let's all sing together. 1 more time. I've got 2 eyes. Look, look, look. I've got 2 ears. Listen, listen, listen. I've got 1 mouth. Sing, sing, sing. Let's all sing together. That was my face. Look at my face. A happy face. Make a happy face. Why I'm happy? It's my birthday. I've got presents. A lot of my friends come to my birthday party. I'm very happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're sad and you know it, make a frown. If you're sad and you know it, make a frown. If you're sad and you know it, you really want to show it. If you're sad and you know it, frown your face. Not happy, I'm sad. Very good. That was my face. Next time, we're going to have a look at the parts of the body which I know that you've heard of before, such as head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Okay? Tànk, loxo, nopp, bakkan, baat, bët, gémmiñ. Tànk, loxo, nopp, bakkan, baat, bët, gémmiñ. D'accord? My face, my body, okay? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head and shoulders, knees, and toes. Next time we'll have a look at that song. Until next time, I say goodbye to everybody. Goodbye. See you later. See you next time. See you next week. Bye-bye, my friends. Thank you.
Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal.